everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Sweep boss and cut. This is tutorial number 6. Mention the required drawing view with appropriate dimensions. Also mention the isometric view, which gives the better idea about the how 3D model looks like.
In this video description, provide a link where you have to download the drawing and 3D model of this tutorial.
Let's create the 3D model.
This is tutorial number 6, in which to model the 3D model, to create the 3D model of this chair frame. Okay, first of all, you think about which features of the SolidWorks should be applicable to create this 3D model of this frame, chair frame. Okay, first of all, you think, okay, number of features available in a SolidWorks. Okay, and decide which feature should be applicable to create this chair frame, 3D model of this chair frame. Okay, so after thinking, decide the features of swap features which is suitable and applicable for the creation of this 3D model of the chair frame. Okay, first of all, decide the features. Okay, we decide the features, swap features. Okay, in swap features, what are the requirement? Okay, in the swap feature, first requirement is a profile and second is path. Okay, the profile is follow or swapped according to the path. Okay, and you get the 3D model of any objects. Okay, in this tutorial here, this is the circular pipe, okay, which is shown in a section view, is our profile. Okay, and curve or path is this chair frame, is a path of this profile. Okay, this profile is swapting with according to this frame. Okay, here this frame, this is the curve or path, which is a three-dimensional entity. Okay, so you should use the 3D sketch in a SolidWorks instead of a 2D sketch. Let's start to create it. Here sketch module, go to sketch module, expand it, and here 3D sketch. Okay, select the entity. I would like to select the line. Okay, the allowable plane is XY plane. Okay, you should draw any entity in XY plane, which is show with this red arrow, long arrow. Okay, which is show the plane. Okay, in which plane you want to draw the entity according to the selection of the plane. Okay, if you want to change or orient the plane, just press the tab key. Okay, you press the tab key and see the orientation of the plane is changed. Okay, I would like to draw the in XY plane. You should also see in the trio. Okay, so I start with the origin. Okay, then these directions. Okay, according to the drawing, I just draw the roughly sketch. Okay, this is the 100, height is 100, smart dimension, select the line, apply the dimension 100 mm. Now it's also 100 mm. Okay, select this line and control with this line, parallel relation as well as equal. Okay, size of this both lines are equal. Here, okay, according to the drawing, okay, here and at this point, okay, the line is slide inclined. Okay, inclination angle shown here. Okay, dimension is given. Again, the select the line and start this point, and okay, plane is same as previous. Okay, I just draw the slightly inclined, okay, in a same plane. You see, orient with the middle mouse button and see the sketch. Okay, dimensions. Okay, I just provide the angle 160. Okay, select this line 75. Okay, this line 30, and this point and this. Okay, overall distance. Okay, now it's a fully defined. Okay, now it's a fully defined. Again, select the line starting with this point. I would to draw in this directions. Okay, but my plane is xy plane, okay, which is not allowed to me draw in this direction. So what should I do? Just press the tab key and change the plane. Okay, so I just change this plane. Okay, now current plane is xz, okay, which is shown in a trio. Okay, you see with the red arrow. Okay, I would like to draw in this direction. Okay, so up to this random sketch. Okay, I would draw in this directions. Okay, select this. Okay, from this I would to draw in vertical side, means upper side. Okay, my plane is xz. Okay, I would change the plane, press the tab key. Okay, now plane is changed. Okay, yes. Okay, you see third dimensional entity. Okay, now apply the dimensions in a top view. The distance is 90 millimeter. Okay, so smart dimension, select this 90 millimeter. Okay, select this line, control with this line, apply the relation parallel as well as equal. Both lines are parallel and equal. Same like select this and this, apply the parallel and equal relations. Here also select this line and this line, apply parallel as well as equal relations. Same this line, apply parallel as well as equal relations. Now with this line, select both line with a control and apply parallel and equal relations. Now it's a fully defined. Okay, and apply the curve which is show. The radius value is 15 millimeter, and typical radius value is 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter here. Yes, here, yes, here, yes, here, yes. Apply the radius here, also here, and here. Now this corner radius is a different value. Okay, so again I just set the value 15 millimeter and apply here. Okay, and also here, just okay. Okay, now the path is ready with 3D third dimensional entity. Okay, exit. This is a single sketch entity. Okay, you see in the property tree, this is a single sketch. Now path is ready, and what is other requirement? Requirement is a profile. Okay, so by default our profile is a circular profile. You see in the drawing sections, this is a circular pipe with the size 5 and okay 3 millimeter diameter. Okay, in a swap features, okay, features, go to swapped boss base. Here by default provide the option of a circular profile. Okay, Rather than a circular, you need to sketch the profile and select the sketch profile option, and here both the profile as well as you can select the path. Okay, but here provide the circular profile. Okay, I just select the circular profile options. Okay, only select the curve. Okay, I just select this curve. Okay, so here by default the circular profile is swapting according to the path. Okay, the size is 10 millimeter. Currently I just set the parameter 5 millimeter. Okay, but here this is the solid frame. Okay, but requirement is hollow pipe. Okay, hollow circular pipe. Then select the thin features and apply the thickness value. Okay, so from both side 1 millimeter thickness. Okay, so internal circular face size is 3 millimeters. Okay, the direction is required one side. Okay, inside just click. Okay, now you see the hollow pipe profile. Select the face, diameter is shown in below 5 millimeter. Select the inside, diameter shown in 3 millimeter. Now your model is ready. Okay, another option, if okay, I just delete the applied features, sweep features. Okay, if I want to draw the sketch profile, instead of selection of the by default circular profile, I want to draw the sketch profile. So where to draw? Okay, I want to draw the sketch profile which is a perpendicular to the this curve. Okay, I need to require the one reference planes. Okay, so reference plane. Okay, which is select the first reference of this line and also this point. Okay, so now the SolidWorks gives the reference plane. Okay, which is passed through this point and perpendicular to the this line here. So okay, now it's a fully defined plane. Okay, select this plane and sketch. Okay, draw the entity, means circular profile. Select the circle, both the concentric circle. Apply the dimension. This is the 3 millimeter diameter and this is the 5 millimeter. Okay, exit. In a swap, take care the both the path and profile sketch is a different. Okay, different entity. Okay, I just hide it. Okay, now here two sketch, one sketch is a path and second sketch is a profile. Okay, you also the swap boss base. Now here do not select these options. Okay, here we have a profile. Okay, so sketch profile, in these options we select this sketch profiles and second option the path. Okay, you also create like this. Okay, now your model is ready. I hope you understand very well. Thank you so much.